Hey everyone, I recently bought myself a new microphone and I wanted to share the full unboxing and setup process with you. This is the White Shark Zonis DSM-01, a budget-friendly USB condenser microphone that's designed for gaming, streaming, podcasting, voiceovers, and everyday content creation. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Opening the box, everything is neatly packed. Inside, you get the microphone itself, a sturdy adjustable boom arm, a desk clamp, a pop filter, and the necessary mounting accessories. It's nice to see that the boom arm is included in the package because that saves you from buying extra equipment separately. For a microphone in this price range, that's definitely a plus. Taking a closer look at the microphone, it has a solid metal construction with a satin finish, which gives it a clean and professional appearance. This is a condenser microphone with a 16mm capsule, meaning it's designed to capture detailed and clear vocal recordings. It uses a cardioid polar pattern, which means it mainly picks up sound from the front while reducing noise from the sides and the back. That makes it ideal for streaming, gaming, and recording voice in a typical room setup. In terms of technical specifications, the frequency response ranges from 30 Hz to 16 kHz, which is more than enough to capture the full range of the human voice clearly. It supports up to 192 kHz and 24-bit sampling, allowing for detailed audio recording. The signal to noise ratio is around 70 decibels, and the self-noise level is low, which should help keep recordings clean when properly positioned. It connects via USB, so it's plug and play. No additional drivers are required in most cases. The cable length is about 2.5 meters, giving you enough flexibility to place it comfortably on your desk. Now I'm mounting the boom arm onto the desk. The clamp feels secure and stable, and once tightened properly, it holds firmly in place. The arm itself allows vertical and horizontal adjustment, so you can easily position the microphone exactly where you need it. After attaching the microphone to the arm, I'm adding the pop filter. The pop filter helps reduce plosive sounds, those strong P and B sounds that can create unwanted bursts of air in recordings. Proper positioning is important, so ideally the microphone should be placed slightly to the side of your mouth and around 15 to 20 centimeters away for best results. This type of microphone is suitable for a wide range of uses. It works well for gaming sessions, live streaming on platforms like YouTube or Twitch, recording podcasts, doing voiceover work, or even for online meetings and calls. Since it's a condenser microphone, it can capture more detail compared to typical headset microphones, but that also means it may pick up more background noise if your room isn't treated. Many users mention that for the price, the clarity is surprisingly good, especially when paired with proper positioning and basic audio adjustments. Overall, the setup process is quick and straightforward. From opening the box to fully mounting it on the desk, it takes just a few minutes. Everything you need to get started is included, which makes it beginner-friendly and convenient. That's the complete unboxing and setup of the White Shark Zonis DSM-01. I'll be using this microphone in my future videos, so you'll be able to hear how it performs in real-world use. If you'd like to see a dedicated sound test or comparison video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.